Hey y'all, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own senior design instead of having to go and purchase an SVG from someone else. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to text. We're going to type out senior. And here you can pick whatever font you want. I'm going to choose the varsity font to give it that big bold look. And I'm going to make it bold. Okay? So next, you want to go to offset like I showed you in a previous video. And we're going to make it just big enough for you to see the outline, but we don't want the offset to touch. So what you're going to see me doing here is just steady decreasing the width of the offset until I get it to where they're not touching anymore. Okay? Alright, so now that we have our offset, we're going to select both of them and we're going to slice. Alright, we're going to keep our original one, keep the outline, and we're going to delete that one. Now let's move the original off to the side, and we're going to take a square, and we're going to make it wide enough to cover the full word. And I put mine in the back just so I can see what halfway would be in the words. Once I get my halfway mark, I'm going to select both of them, and we're going to slice again. We're going to delete that one, pull that one down, delete the middle. Now we have a top and we have a bottom. And what you see me doing here is just changing them both to black so they're all the same color. Now we're going to duplicate the top one once, so we have two of those. And we're going to duplicate the bottom twice to have three of those. Alright, and here I'm just lining them up. And then we're going to select all, and we're going to center horizontally. Okay? You can stop here if you don't want the numbers, or we can keep going. So we're going to select each layer. You're going to click contour, and we're going to unselect the O on each one of them. Deselect. I don't even know if unselect is a word. Anyway, leave the O in the original senior, and we're just going to continue the process through each layer. And fun fact, while I'm doing this, I hate doing voiceovers, y'all. But I don't want to just give y'all music. I got to talk to y'all. Okay? Now what we're going to do is go over to text again, and we're going to type the number 2. Right now I'm only going to duplicate it once, because the 2's that are going to be at the bottom won't be the same size as the top one. So here I'm just resizing it to fit in between the top 2. Then we're going to take the next one, size that one down a little. And then I'm going to duplicate that one and line it up. Okay? You can see right here I didn't like how the 2 was kind of hanging off the bottom, so I'm just going to make them both a little bit smaller again. That's it. So now you could select all of them and you're going to weld them together. Resize it. And then you're going to make it. Simple enough, right? Remember to mirror. If you're putting it on a shirt, any heat transfer you want to mirror. Got it? Okay. So now I'm just going to show you how you can spruce it up a little if you wanted to. We can change the colors of the numbers and the middle senior. So for my daughter's school, their colors are yellow and black. So right here I'm just going to change those to yellow and leave the rest of them black. Totally optional. You don't have to do this part. You can keep it simple, keep it all the same color. But now, since we have two separate colors, instead of welding the whole thing together, we're going to select all of the same color and you want to attach it. Okay? And then we're going to go and do the same thing for the black. So you want to attach light colors together. If you don't attach it, then they're going to be spread out all over the mat when you go to cut it. Okay? So now I have my black mat and I have my yellow mat. And that's it. Okay, so if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know what other tutorials y'all want to see.